Alright, here's a quasi-risky repair. So, this is supposedly a real K&N. And it's going on a Mikuni, which has a CV adapter. So, CV style plate. So it works with the CV style air filter. And the thing about these is, and I think I've had this happen more than once, I think this is the replacement. It's the fitment isn't the best for the air cover, and so it wobbles and wiggles a little bit, and you can put some spacers in and try to get it as firmly down. But over time, it puts some exertion on the nut that's in there. Just to give you an idea, it's not really bonded in that well, and there was a break that was a perfect circle right around the edge, so it just metal fatigued its way to the point where it broke. Thankfully, it finished as I was taking it out, because otherwise you'd have the bolt and the backside of this nut hanging out inside the motor. And so, a new one of these is $60, I think. You can get the knockoffs for $20-ish on Amazon, but a lot of bad reviews. Holes not in alignment, no big deal, you could drill new ones, but inherently it's that the bonding that they do is just weak for this nut. So we got some JB weld, and so this is supposed to be good for 5,000 pounds. I'm gonna give it a try first, do some exertion and stuff like that, because again, if this thing breaks loose, and I did a lot more on the inside, so it's really slopped in there. If this wiggles free, or breaks and then wiggles free at the end of the air cleaner nut, guess where it's going? In there. Less than an ideal situation. So, a risky repair, one of those things where it's like, okay, $60 versus maybe a new motor, but the next one of these is probably going to be made exactly the same. So you're equally taking chances. So I'm guessing, given the amount that's in there now, and I could have done more, could have made it really thick. It's going to be the cockroaches and this air filter till the end. But we'll see. It's a risk I'm going to take after I really put some torque on this and see if we get any cracks or anything like that. But there you go. That's an option. And just obviously, if you do this, you got to let it cure, I think like 24 hours, 16 hours till it's fully cured, something like that. But just, give it plenty of time to do it. All right.